Greetings, viewers. Thanks for joining me outside the shop today. Wanted to take a minute and go over my truck. I did an adventure ready video right before I took off for my 2 weeks in Colorado and Utah. And now I want to go over a little bit about how it all worked and what I would change, if anything. First thing I would like to touch on, one, is go to my channel and watch all of the videos of me running the mountain passes in Ouray and the running some trails in Moab, because we had a great time and the videos are awesome, and you should get out and go and do fun stuff. I spent about $700 in gas, 3,336 mile round trip. Truck didn't miss a beat. Everything worked fantastic. I have decided that I am going to relocate the washer jug. I thought I could live with it hanging down there, but it bothers me too much. That's not a bad thing from the trip. That's something I noticed every time I looked at it. My LED headlights and my cheapy light bar proved to be amazing in Kansas back highways, because I had to go around I-70 because of a mudslide, and I had to go down some back roads in the pitch black middle of night, and man, I was impressed. I played with the lights in several different positions. Super impressed with my choice for lights there. Those LED headlights are great, and that light bar was way better than I imagined it would be. Suspension was fantastic. Brakes were fantastic. Aired down to about 15 pounds. The Falcon Wild Peaks did great. No issues. It was plenty soft. Sorry, I'm looking at where I'm holding the camera there, but everything went great. Got some rock rash on my sliders, on my control arms, and on my little skidders there. Cleaned up pretty nice inside. Had ice cold air. I've upgraded the stereo, the cup holder upgrade. I mean, it was just peachy. I drove 18 hours straight through to my sister's on the first leg. Nary a problem. I tried to drive all the way home, 23 hours from Moab, but I had to stop and take a couple naps. But again, that's not important. But spending all that time in my truck was awesome. I definitely recommend, because I've had this seat redone. When I redid this truck, I had the cushion redid and the bolsters redone. I highly recommend that, because if you've got a whooped out seat and you're going to drive a long way, anyway, a comfy seat is better. And that sr5 seat treated me quite well. Did get everything cleaned up. I did really like my spot there for my spare tire. My CO2 on that corner and my air extinguisher on that corner is nice. I did enjoy having that charge plug always being hot back there. I'm going to make a mount, I think, so I can permanently put that there, but I do like it. I do like the way that ended up, so that all turned out really well. The worst thing that went on was the freaking skid plates. Now, I carried on about how happy I was to have the skid plates all around the underneath of this truck. And it turned out they were the biggest problem I had. They hung down so far, is why I hit them all the time. I got to looking after I had to take them off. My buddy's like, dude, they hang down so far, that's why they're hitting everything. So I got to make something for my radiator. I'll probably go from this bar here and down and attach to the frame, just like a little triangle piece like I did on my black one. Maybe you saw that. But I'm going to make a thing for that. I'll do a video when I do. I'm happy that the markings, nothing moved. Oh, excuse me. And just the trip was flawless and excellent, and had a great time. The truck did wonderful. Dang junk skid plates I've carried on so much about. Go through all my old videos and watch and take them out. Take all the skid plate advice I've given you out and just trash it, because I don't know. Yeah, so anyway, that's really the only issue I had. So fantastic trip. Truck did great. Like and subscribe to my channel and like my videos, please. It helps me get more playtime, I think. YouTube sent me a thing. Anyway, that's not what's important. What's important is that you all have a great day. I appreciate you watching. If you want to like and subscribe, you can. If you want to check the links, I got my Etsy store link there for t-shirts and stuff. But mostly, appreciate you. Have a great day.